Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a portable mini emergency lamp. So I have already built a number of emergency lamp, but this one is the most compact version. So it will give you a backup of about 3 hours because I have installed about 3200 mAh battery. So let's see how I have built it. So I have built the entire thing in aluminum casing so that it can dissipate the heat and make the LED a little bit cooler. So I have installed two number of switch, two number of blue lights, fluorescent white strip. So the most important thing, the power of this compact emergency lamp is very high, so you have to put a sufficient heat sink or heat dissipating system to avoid burning of the LEDs. So friend, you can see it is very high power and it will give you backup of around 3 hours. So I have built this. So now I will install the top part and the bottom part, which I have printed with the help of 3D printer, and white screen will be given at the front to deliver the light uniformly. So friend, you can see the build part is almost complete. Let's test it and see how it performs. I have also provided magnet at the back side so that it can be installed in any metallic surface. So friend, you can see it is looking very amazing and it is very small but very powerful. So to build this type of unit, it will cost about 50 to 60 rupees. So I think all of you have liked this video.